Okay, some exciting news. I think I'm going to be able to ditch the Concord plugin because it just gives garbage data. I say garbage data, it's usable, I think, in some way, but there's so much to it. And ultimately what I really want to do is to be able to play MIDI files and record the data myself, because I can make much better use of that data, and I've found a way to do it. I've basically used something which it's like a virtual MIDI cable, and we've got this loop B1, which I'll link in the description where I got it from, but it allows me basically to use Cubase and send that to the virtual sort of cable and then directly link that in with Unreal Engine, and I should be able to record and save the MIDI data that I want. So just to show you, I'm just going to click this to play here. So that's now playing notes to the virtual cable, and when I click play here, this will receive that data. And you can probably hear that I've got some music. I've linked the program Unreal Engine into the Microsoft MIDI mapper, so it's automatically now playing through the computer, but I wanted to build my own synth, of course. So this is really exciting news, because if you just look at the Concord stuff, it's ridiculous. If I click on, it's not that one. This is bizarre. It uses strange things like lines, and then lines per beat, and you've got to do, it sort of auto quantizes everything, and then you've got to add this to that, and I don't really know how to get the data from this, because if we just have a look at this, there's loads of stuff here which is just, it doesn't make sense to me without doing some real deep research. So this is a much simpler way I can build tracks and record data at the right times, and then build something to play that data back, just as you would through any of those things in Concord, but much simpler. I can record the exact data that I want, i.e. the keys that I'm pressing, or the sustain pedal and other such like that. So this really is quite an amazing discovery for me. I was hoping I would be able to do something like this, and now I can actually plug Cubase, the program to make music, directly into Unreal Engine using this driver which I found. So I'm really excited about that. It's going to make my work so much easier, I believe. And yeah, so thanks.